Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to use a Ring doorbell with a Bushfire TV. Firstly, you will need to download the Amazon Alexa app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Ensure that your Ring doorbell is completely set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone and television. Next, go to the Amazon Alexa app and follow the setup process. On the activity screen, it should show that Alexa has automatically detected the doorbell. If it does not display this, select More in the bottom right corner. Then select Skills and Games and select the search symbol. Then search for Ring. Select Enable Skill and follow the setup process. Next, select Devices and choose Add Device. Select your television from the available devices list. Next, select your doorbell from the Favorites list. Go to Settings in the top right and enable Doorbell Press Announcements. Select Announcement Devices and enable your television. Now, when your doorbell rings, it will display the doorbell's video image on the television screen. Some Fire televisions may require you to select the menu button on the remote, or by pressing the voice button and saying, "Alexa, show my front door camera." Your Ring doorbell and Bushfire TV are now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.